Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to recover accidentally deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome on Windows OS. So, we need close Chrome application first. Next, press Windows key R, then type %appdata% and hit enter. Now, we need click on appdata. We will open local folder. Scroll down and find Google folder. Once you see that folder, open it. Next, open Chrome folder. Open user data folder. Here, we will find default folder, then open it. Now, scroll down until you see a file named Bookmarks. You will see a list of files named Bookmarks and Bookmarks.back. You just need to understand that Bookmarks is the file that stores the pages that will be displayed in the Bookmarks list on Google Chrome at the current time. It will not include the 2 sites I removed from the list at the beginning of the video. And Bookmarks.back is a backup file. It will include the 2 sites I removed from the list at the beginning of the video. So, to recover accidentally deleted bookmarks, then we need copy all data from Bookmarks.back file to Bookmarks file. To do that, open Bookmarks.back by Notepad or any software that can read it. Next, copy all of its data. Then open Bookmarks file and replace all of its data with the data you just copied. Once done, just save files. Now, open Google Chrome and they will come back to you. Finally, this will probably work for you or not. This will depend on when you deleted your bookmarks until you performed this method. If it's been a long time and you've made a lot of changes to your bookmarks, like adding or removing some websites, then this won't work for you. If those bookmarks are valuable, seek the help of experts who can help you. And of course, it will cost you a pretty penny. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.